I want to show you how to make a rainbow ring border around your Instagram profile picture, just like the ones showing on screen now. My name is Arwa and welcome to my channel where I post a video every week teaching you tools and tutorials to use social media. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every week. Let's go to my laptop. We are going to use Canva, which is a free software and easy to use. Select Instagram post and click Elements, type Gradients, and choose this circle. Drag it to the corner and size it up to fit the Instagram post size. Why guys did I choose this circle? Because you will get 3 colors. Click first color and go to this square here. Type number FF57F7. This is the color you get. Click second color and type this number EDAE16. Click third color and type 03989E. Go to Elements again and type Frame. And click this circle, size it up, and make it at the center. Click Upload and drag your photo here. As you see guys, now you have borders with 3 colors. Double click to move your picture. Guys, note that if you try to move your photo without double click, you will mess up everything. That's why you must double click first to have a control over your photo. Here you have it. I just made rainbow ring border around your Instagram profile picture. Go to your Instagram account, click Edit Profile, click Change Profile Photo, tab New Profile Photo, select the photo you saved from Canva and click Done. If you made it this far into the video, I've created free planner that will help you stay consistent on your task, which I will link in the description down. You can hit to grab your copy. If you like this video, hit that like and don't forget to subscribe before you go. Thank you for watching and see you next week.